I'm also rocking the ceramic cut by Tigware. This is a higher density ceramic, and when I got it, I really wanted to see what it was made of, and I just started dropping it deliberately on the floor. And I probably dropped it about 200 times before it actually broke. And when it did break, as you can see, it broke clean into two pieces, like basically right in half. This is higher density ceramic, it's a lot stronger. It didn't shatter into a bazillion pieces, and all I had to do was throw some pet tape around it. And this is how I've been rocking it for well over a year now. I mean, this is just a phenomenal cut.